you're sick and tired of the different side effects that Adderall and many medications bring, or if you're just not wanting to attempt it, these are the 10 best supplements that I've seen over the past 10 years working with people with ADHD, replacing their Adderall and many other different ADHD medications. Now, the very first one has something to do with directly what Adderall is supposed to be doing, which is improving dopamine levels. And so if you look at dopamine, how it's broken down, L-dopa specifically helps make dopamine. So where can you get L-dopa? Well, there is one specific type of supplement you can use, which is known as mucuna prurines. It has about 5% of L-dopa in it, and something that I will use if I see that my patients are low in dopamine levels after testing them. But the second supplement is something that I see as far greater an issue with people with ADHD. In fact, 90% of the people I've tested over the years tend to be deficient in this. So if you're watching this video and you have ADHD, there's a high chance that this can make a big difference. And that has to do with an excitatory neurotransmitter known as phenylalanine. This is at the very beginning of the whole dopamine process of helping making dopamine and can make all the big difference in improving your ADHD symptoms and starting to replace your Adderall and other different ADHD medications. Now, there's also a few very essential amino acids that also help make dopamine, and that is phenylalanine and tyrosine. Now, I like using DL-phenylalanine because this is more easily absorbed, but it helps make dopamine, and also tyrosine, but I like using N-acetyltyrosine because this one is also easily absorbed in the body and therefore can help make L-dopa and help make dopamine. But more importantly, if you are deficient in any of these different amino acids, this is why I like to do lab testing first, this can make a big impact on starting to replace your ADHD medications like Adderall. Now, there's also another set of supplements that I like using, and this has to do with certain dopamine cofactors that help make dopamine. And this is why running labs is so vital if you're truly wanting to start replacing Adderall and using more natural solutions. And so the big set of different vitamins and nutrients that are the ingredients that helping make dopamine is vitamin D, iron, vitamin B6, particularly the activated form of vitamin B, which is P5P, vitamin B3, as well as vitamin C and zinc. All these are vital micronutrients to supplement if you're deficient in it, because if you're low on this, it's very hard to make dopamine, and therefore it can make it very difficult to start replacing something like Adderall or other ADHD medications. Now, like I was saying before, it is important to first test. You can't just start using these supplements and expect they're going to start replacing your Adderall. That's a big no-no. You don't want to go through withdrawal effects. You want to talk to a prescribing doctor. You want to be talking to somebody that can first test and look at different labs to see what are you truly deficient in before you can start supplementing, and then hopefully over time start replacing having to be dependent on Adderall and other ADHD medications. And so you should download my free ADHD lab protocol that I go over all these different labs that I have my patients take that are critical to test for if you truly want to identify the root cause of your ADHD situation and start using natural alternatives to start replacing the medications. Now, these next set of supplements is one of the biggest things that I see an issue. In fact, 99% of the people I test for will be deficient in this, and that is epinephrine. Now, epinephrine is something that helps manage our stress, and norepinephrine is another big one. In fact, 60% of people with ADHD that I test with tend to be also deficient in norepinephrine levels. Now, why is this important when it comes to trying to replace your Adderall? Well, Adderall, the theory is it's supposed to be helping improving dopamine and norepinephrine. Both of those are vital when it comes to ADHD symptoms. But epinephrine is another big one that is being missed. And so what you can use is something like L-theanine. L-theanine is by far my #1 recommended supplement because it helps not only with epinephrine and norepinephrine, but also helps with dopamine and also several other different neurotransmitters. And so it's always my #1 because it helps you to relax. It helps you give you more of that clear thinking mind. It also improves alpha brainwave activity, which gives you that more calming effect that's not sedative, but it helps eliminate distractions so you can focus more clearly. Another really important one is rhodiola rosea. This one also helps with both epinephrine, norepinephrine, and dopamine. Not only does it help improve those levels, but it also helps you to be more focused and have a clear mind and also help with the stress levels. Now, this next set has to do with something slightly different that Adderall is missing completely. So you might have experienced where you maybe were put on Adderall and then maybe you were also put on an anti-anxiety medication. Well, with anti-anxiety medications, typically it's going to be targeting something known as GABA, which if your GABA levels are low, you're going to feel more anxious, stressed, which are going to impact your ADHD symptoms. So if you want to do things more naturally, typically you want to look at the specific amino acids that make GABA, which is L-glutamine and glycine. So both of these supplements, especially if you test for them and see that you're deficient in it, can make all the difference in helping replace the different medications that you're on. Now, the 10th one, this one is huge. Also, I would say about 92% of people, especially adults with ADHD, suffer with this. And if you're in a state where you're completely mentally and physically burnt out, you most likely have this issue. And this has to do with your cortisol levels. So if your cortisol levels are plummeted, it's very hard to have energy and mental energy throughout the day. And so if that's the case, and this is why I like to test for it to see what your cortisol levels look out throughout the day, is using something like adrenal desiccated or adrenal bovine to supplement that for the next 3 months to improve those cortisol levels so that you can have the energy and the mental focus throughout the day. Like I was saying before, all these supplements can be great, but if you're not deficient in any of these particular areas, it's not going to do anything for you. So you should watch this video next where I talk about the critical labs that everyone with ADHD should be testing for so you identify the root cause and finally be treating it in a more natural way. So watch this video next.